Having UGC ads is the best way to get sales for your online store in 2025, but there's one main issue. It's expensive. UGC creators are charging like $300 to $500 per video, and even after that, you're still splitting profits with them through affiliate deals. Some even charge you extra if you want to run that UGC video as an ad. And then you can add in the slow turnaround times, limited revisions, dealing with the creator's ego. And after adding up all those factors, it just turns out to be not worth it to use human UGC creators anymore. Their time has passed, and we're living in the middle of the AI gold rush. And smart brand owners like me are switching from human UGC to AI generated UGC. Now, what are the benefits? You have endless revisions, instant turnaround times, obedience from the model, not ego, a wide variety, and you can do it all for free. You can now do unlimited product launches, unlimited ad launches, and all for completely free. You can now do infinite product launches, infinite ad variations, and you still get to keep 100% of your profit, spending $0 on acquiring this AI UGC. And by the end of this video, you will know how to create unwatermarked AI UGC from scratch. Now, let's dial back a bit. What is UGC and why is it so important? Now, UGC stands for user generated content. This is basically a video review of a product. And in order for it to be a good UGC video, it must follow these 4 principles. Number 1, the creator must be speaking directly to the camera like this with their face visible. Number 2, it can't be a voiceover. The creator must be talking and we must be able to see their mouth moving. Again, just like this. Number 3, the product is shown in use. So let's say I was reviewing this t-shirt and I'm a UGC creator. I'll talk about how it fits nicely on my body. It's not too short on the arms. It hugs me well. I like the soft materials. And the 4th criteria, the creator's face and the product are visible in the same frame. So that means no top-down videos where it's just a product in use and a voiceover. That is a complete violation of all the rules that I just outlined. This UGC format works because it feels real. When your target customers see somebody that looks like them, dealing with the same problems that they face, and reviewing a product that directly solves those problems, then that ad speaks directly to them. And that's what you want. You want to speak directly to your target customer. You need to know exactly who you want to buy your product. Because if you try to sell to everyone, you sell to no one. Now, these UGC ads also trigger FOMO, or fear of missing out. And it also builds trust with your e-commerce brand because people believe people, not faceless advertisements. Now that we know what UGC is and why AI UGC is better, then there's just one burning question remaining. How do we make it? I create my AI UGC using OpenAI's new video generation AI called Sora 2. But the problem with Sora 2 is not everybody can access it. You need to be given a code in order to open it. Open this website, escaping.work/Sora for all. Now I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. And what this website is going to do is give us an access code for Sora 2. Now I don't know how it works. I don't know how long it's going to be able to work. But as of me recording this video, it works. Okay? So click to get your invite code, and the rules, you can pretty much ignore them. You don't have to share the code back with them. Click deal. Now when you attempt to get your code there, it might say that there's no codes available right now. If it does, just give it a few minutes and then try again. And then eventually it's just going to ask you to create a free account, and then it's going to give you a code just like that. And there are 0 payment walls. You do not have to pay them for this code. Once you get your Sora 2 code, now you move on to the next stage, okay? Search this URL, so sora.chatgpt.com. And then here we arrive at another roadblock. Sora may not be available in your country. Now, some countries I know it's available in are the United States, of course, and Dubai. But if it's not available in your country, it's not a dead end. It's simple. Just install a VPN on your laptop or phone. If you're on an iPhone, I recommend this VPN. It's what I use for everything. This AI, or even when I'm doing some organic dropshipping and I need my TikToks to be seen in the US. And it's also free. So after you turn on your AI and fill in the code, you're now gonna be in Sora 2. And then for this video, I decided to create AI UGC for these two products. So one is a hair product and one is a protein supplement product. I simply uploaded a screenshot of a static ad, aka image ad, from these two sellers that were selling the product, and I made sure to choose good ones that have a few benefits of the product, just so the AI can get a good idea of what the product is, what it helps with, and what it should say in the UGC. And then from then, it's pretty simple. I just cooked up a pretty basic prompt and sent it to it. And after around 3 minutes of loading, it was done with both of the UGC videos. And here they are.
You want muscle growth? Stop chewing on dry jerky. This right here is real chicken, our Manchurian chicken protein pack. 100 grams of high quality protein, crazy flavor, and it's ready to eat. I plug one of these after training and
I've been using this Botanic Botana oil for a little over 2 weeks, and y'all, the difference is real. My edges are filling in, my hair feels thicker, and it's all from this one jar. No minoxidil, no drugs, just...
The videos are perfect. The only issue is that annoying watermark. Now, ChatGPT is a pretty popular company, so I have a feeling when somebody sees Sora on the video, they're just gonna automatically know what Sora is and know that the video is AI generated. So now we're gonna get into the next stage, and really the most important stage of this video, which is removing the watermark. To remove the watermark, this website right here. If you're watching this on YouTube, it's blurred. If you're watching this in TooPaidCommerce, it's not blurred. TooPaidCommerce is my e-commerce community. TooPaidCommerce is my e-commerce community where I host my A to Z dropshipping guide, the same guide that I used to take my store from zero to over $913 in a day. Additionally, you get access to the group chat with other dropshippers that are either beginners, getting sales, or even scaling. Third, you get access to one group coaching call with me every Saturday. As I mentioned before, the full uncensored version of this guide plus extra useful tips will be shared to people in TooPaidCommerce only. Now, this is how you're going to remove the watermark. So let's upload one of these AI UGC videos we just made. Okay, now that the video is uploaded, just play it a bit and then put this blue rectangle over where the watermark is. So keep playing it and then wait for the watermark to move and then follow it. Now you don't move this one, click the rectangle again and draw a new rectangle over the new position of that annoying watermark. Okay, make sure to crop it in nicely. Continue playing. Now the logo has gone down here, so we're gonna create a new rectangle. 100 grams of high quality protein. Logo has gone back up here. Let's play. Boom. And then, just like magic, you click remove now. And ironically, AI does the whole job of removing the watermark for you. Now, estimated time is about 70 seconds, so that's like a minute. You can go get a glass of water while this works. And let's see the result. This is my live reaction to this video not having a watermark. 3, 2, 1.
This right here is real chicken, our Manchurian chicken protein pack. 100 grams of high quality protein, crazy flavor, and it's ready to eat. I plug one of these after training. You want muscle growth? Stop chewing on dry.
That's dangerous, bro. Now, obviously, because, you know, the watermark appeared over his arm or something, there's just a little bit of glitching there, but that can be solved easily, simply by one, just and that's how to create AI UGC, remove the watermark, and a few extra tips for you guys in TooPaidCommerce for how to fix any imperfections like the one here. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more e-commerce guides, then subscribe to the channel. We're going for 5,000 subscribers. Drop a like and comment what the most helpful part of this video was, and I will let you into the weekly group coaching call that's in TooPaidCommerce. Now guys, again, if you want the full updated dropshipping guide in 2025 with live examples of me creating content, running the ad or posting the organic content, and having real life money entering my Shopify store profit, then join TooPaidCommerce using the first link in the description down below and in the comments down below. Until next time, everybody, it's Q4. You better lock in, bro. That's all I gotta say. Peace.